Lights, the wires out for the lights.
Okay, installing on the Sissy bar. Start by taking off your tail lights. You'll find the bolt up underneath here. And then in the middle of taking off your tail lights, when the double-sided tape comes off of your reflector, you can just deal with that later. All right, we got all of these out. We popped the spacers in. This way we can actually slide the Sissy bar in. Sometimes you have to make round pegs fit round holes.
Yep.
Yay. Because you can't just have a simple install. You gotta make sure you have round pegs to fit round holes. Yay! Yay! This way it will actually fit with the tank and fit back in. Yay! See, Lamb Chop, we're getting one step closer. Okay, it seemed easier to mount it on the fender after having taken the fender off. Woohoo! And of course, getting round pegs into round holes. Yay! Much more better. Now to get the fender back onto the bike.